That's actually something my therapist has been challenging me with, and I'm like, she always trying to challenge me to be better and be the best version of myself. My God. I was like, ooh, get somebody else. Set an alarm for 6 a.m. tomorrow. Done.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Is you.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real spending time, wind down, what is takeout. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation, cause your lover.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. And I am so relaxed. I had an amazing dinner. It was so good. Like, shout out to Trader Joe's, because one thing about them is they're gonna make meal prepping and cooking so much easier, y'all. Like, I am just so thankful, because I'm not the girl that's really like back in the kitchen cooking. Okay, like I do the best I can what I got, period. But anyways, I have been challenging myself to really like get into journaling, like stick to it. So I have the 5-minute journal. This is the Fit edition. I got this when I was in Savannah for my wellness resort for my 30th birthday, and I have the original, but I don't know, I just wasn't inspired to use it anymore. And sometimes I need a prompt. Like when I'm trying to get back into journaling, a blank sheet of paper ain't gonna do it, okay? So it's really nice to have this as prompt. I also have like a devotional that is prompt as well. So I'm gonna show you what an example page looks like. And there's so many different ways to journal. Like I've just been using this again because I needed something to like ease me back in. That's actually something my therapist has been challenging me with, and I'm like, she always trying to challenge me to be better and be the best version of myself. My God. And I love it. But she's been challenging me to really implement and execute my morning and night routines. And I feel like I'm pretty good at it, but there are moments where I let things slide, or I wait, or I'm like, oh, it's not that big of a deal. It becomes a big deal because I be stressed and anxious, and then like I'm off my grind, especially with like traveling and have some travels coming up and things like that. Like I want to be able to easily adjust and pivot my routines to accommodate my needs. Even if I'm traveling or even if something comes up, I want to be able to jump right back into my routines and make sure that I'm still filling up my cup and I'm not being drained, overwhelmed, and stressed and tired, because that's what's been happening, y'all. Like I've been really kind of struggling just trying to find more balance with my routines, but also like living life and spending time with my friends and like calling my family and just being there for people, that sometimes I forget to be there for myself. So I'm really thankful to have a therapist to remind me of that. And if you don't know, I have my therapist on betterhelp.com. So shout out to BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Honestly and truly, it is so hard to find a good therapist, y'all. I have been there. I've had in-person therapists. I've had therapists on BetterHelp that wasn't the therapist that I got, child, okay? And they make it very easy to change them out, because I was like, ooh, get somebody else. Sometimes you just can't speak the language of that therapist. You really have to vet them. It's like dating, but less ghetto, okay? Now, sometimes finding a therapist can be kind of ghetto too. It can be really difficult, but don't lose hope. You can easily switch out your BetterHelp therapist. Y'all, it is seamless. It's no harm, no foul. They ain't gotta know it's none of their business. They gotta know why you gotta say nothing. Just control, alt, delete, escape. But I love my current therapist, and it's been a long time coming. And it really took me time to open up to her as well. Like, once I realized, okay, I like the way she educates and she pours into me and she tells me how to implement and the steps and the books that she has me read and things like that. Once I realized, okay, I can speak her language and she speaks mine, then I gradually began to open up and things like that. So it's just, she's been really reminding me to make sure that my cup is full and to confidently walk into the person, into the desires, into the life that I deserve and that I long to have, which feels weird and like, what? I don't know if I can do it. But yeah, I'm just really, really grateful to have a professional who I trust, who truly, truly, truly has provided so much benefit to my life, from books to read, to podcasts to listen to words of affirmation, words of encouragement, scriptures to listen to. She literally is just, I'm just really, really grateful for a platform like BetterHelp, because it allows me the flexibility that I need. Because y'all, when I'm traveling, it's like, I can still send her a quick little message on the app if I need something. I can send a voice note. I can do a phone call for the session. I can do a video call for the session. It's just so many ways that they accommodate everyone's needs on BetterHelp. And like I said, it may take time to find a therapist, but if you really are looking for a therapist, don't give up. Head over to betterhelp.com so you guys can check them out. I will leave links below and on the screen. Thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. And I'm gonna finish journaling. I love that I get to start my morning with it and I end my day with it. And I'm just gonna finish Miss Poppy. It's so good. I still like the other flavor better, but that was pretty good. Sometimes I shower before I journal and like I do this like in bed, but I'm tired and I know like from the shower to the bed it's giving sleep, like very much sleep. And I have a really early morning. I have a 6:30 a.m. workout, but that is because I'm working on my routines. And my future version of me, my dream version of me, my dream routine would be to get up at 6 a.m. and utilize my hours. So that also means I need to get in bed early. And what time is it? It's 9:30. So I need to go and shower and get in bed. My goal is to be in bed by 9:30, but it's giving 10, which is okay. Give myself grace, but also understand that it's a work in progress. Like I'm not gonna get it right immediately, even if I truly, 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 truly be trying. Like I really be trying, but also. So let me do this.
set an alarm